Sansevieria is easy to grow and is nearly indestructible. An architectural species, it features stiff leaves that range from 6 inches to 8 feet tall, depending on the variety. These plants are also drought resistant. In a word, it's a perfect plant for beginners. It's better to repot and propagate Sansevieria in the spring. Choose a sturdy material for the vessel, as the plant's strong roots can easily crack and break weak pots. And to make sure the pot has at least one drainage hole, gently remove the plant from its old pot. Sansevieria is one of the easiest plants to propagate. You can divide it, or cuttings can also be made, but it is much easier to rely on division. Be careful with the root system. Try not to hurt it much, because repotting can be its own kind of stressor. Cover the bottom with gravel or expanded clay pebbles. Add a base layer of soil so the roots have a new space to grow. Place your plant in the center of the pot and finish filling it with potting soil. Lightly pack the soil. Keep in mind that too much water can kill a snake plant. It's best to water the plant anytime the top inch of its soil is dry. Water this plant evenly every 10 to 14 days during the growing season, and always let the soil dry between waterings. During the winter, when it's usually getting colder, reduce watering to once per month. If water drains through the soil and out the bottom of the container, avoid letting it sit in the tray beneath the pot. Snake plants don't like to have wet feet. Snake plants do not like to be misted because it can cause leaf rot. It's better to wipe the leaves occasionally to keep them healthy and clean. Snake plants are not picky when it comes to their location. Indirect sunlight is ideal, but they can also thrive in low light places. Be sure to keep your friend out of direct hot sun though, because it will burn the leaves in a heartbeat.